This generally gray bird, which is a bit smaller than a robin, but definitely bigger than a sparrow, and with a long tail, is often difficult to see because it stays in thick brush and shrubbery, generally low down, not up high in trees. Its coloration doesn't give us much to work with as far as field marks. It's basically gray. It has a black cap, but that's about all you can see in this picture. This bird is named after a call that it gives. It sounds like a cat. This is another photo of that same species. Gray all over with a black cap. Foraging in thick shrubbery. Using the resources available to you, including field guides, bird identification apps, and especially the Merlin website, see if you can identify the bird we have just looked at, using the field marks and other characteristics and information that we discussed.